Okay, I'm doing an unboxing video. My first one. Anyway, what the hell? What I did is I went and I needed a paint sprayer because I'm going to be painting. So anyway, so I went and got myself, get over here, the Magnum prox17 paint sprayer. But there you go. You can't really see it too good, but here she is. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna open her up and check it out. Right, I need something to open it up with. Okay, so this wasn't really well planned. I'm in the middle of making salmon dinner. Okay. I could have waited till I got to the work site to open this up, but I really wanted to do something. Yeah. Okay. Opening the box. It says, do not open with a knife. Just kidding. It says it has all the stuff in it. It has a 50-foot... Okay. It's got a 50-foot hose, or 15 meters, whatever. It's got an SG3 spray gun. What the fuck is SCG means? Okay. Anyway, it's a spray gun. The gun. It has a 515 2 airless spray tip for paint. No kidding, eh? For paint? Okay. It is paint sprayer. What else would it be for? But anyway, pump, armor, storage, fluid, and a quick startup guide. Well, gee, thanks. So anyway, I'm gonna open her up. Yeah. First thing I see is the manual. Alright. And the guide, whatever you want to call this. Manual. It says manual pack. Anyway, and it shows me other ones that I could have had, but you got this one instead. Anyway. That's cool. It's got this huge chart, and it's laminated. It's like plastic. It's just a little bit of knowledge of how to assemble and clean the unit after use, and obviously how to prime it and all that stuff. I'm already quite aware of how to use this piece of equipment anyhow. You use one, you use them all. But this one will probably have some kind of little bit of little something different to it that might be different from the other ones, but it might not be so different, but it might be different on how it goes together and whatever. Anyway, we'll figure that one out. Alright, so now take that off. Cool. Got a 50-foot hose. Sweet. And gun. Nice. The sprayer tip is on it already. Sweet. Right? 50-foot hole should be plenty enough. Sweet. Pull this thing out. carpets. Go big or go home. The other one there they had over at Home Depot. This is one I bought at Home Depot. And this one goes for $880. The other one they had was the stand-up one where you could just put it in the bucket, and that one for $680, but it had a smaller pump. It had a shorter hose, and it had only a 25-foot hose, which means I would have had to spend another $120 on another hose to get an adequate length of hose to do the area that I have to do. So yeah, so they get you that way, and you end up spending $800 anyway. This one is more a little compact. And the pump is supposed to be way more heavy. It's just supposed to be the premium, the Pro. The other one was the X7, or this is the 17, or the X7, or whatever they called it. This is the Pro X, whatever it means. But anyway, why the heck not? I'd rather get one that's gonna actually really good, and it would be the best one that they have. So, all right. So that's not bad. All right, it has. You go to the bucket. Goes in a standard 5-gallon bucket. Here, I'm going to get the paint. There we go. Absolutely perfect. It has this. What's this? Oh, it's got a little holder. Oh, this goes. It's got a little cup here, so that you can put your hose in. Little cup thing here. Just a little right there. Just to slide, whoop, and like that. That's cool. This here, what is that? Okay. Is it adjustable? No, that's it. It's really simple. This here will obviously go into this this end of this hose here. We'll go in here in the red. Boom. Anything else in that? Oh. What else? I got this. This is a separate unit. I had to pay separately for this. But it's an extension, so I can do the ceilings, right? Spray doors without having to go too close and get overspray on me too much. So we essentially just take that off, right? Yep. This will have to be tightened. You take this off here. We add this one on. That's cool. Even when you twist it on, it actually goes on nice and straight. I like that. Very slick. Swivels. It's got a swivel end, so it doesn't twist on you. Right? So there's a swivel end. That's awesome. Swivel end probably on this side. Ow! On this too. Right? It's got, okay, sweet. Flow control. Oh yeah, nice. with the, oh yeah, it shows it nice and light, and you go light, and you can go heavy, 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 heavy on the dial. And the primer is right here. Until, yeah, you're good to go. What's in here? An accessory bag. Oh, there's more stuff. Cleaner for the hose. Detergent. When you go to do the clean out. This here goes. Come on. The hell? Goes on. Oh, I gotta take it off anyway. Alright. I know how to clean this up. Anyway. Okay. That's kind of weird. Look at that. Okay. Huh. Okay, well, I don't understand what that one goes yet. Well, but I will know soon enough. This thing looks like the face of a grasshopper. But you know what I mean? It's got the little face. Okay. My analysis on that. Kind of cool looking. Yeah, okay. I don't know anything, but I don't know everything, but I know lots of stuff, but yeah, now I gotta figure out where this thing goes. I know it goes on the end of a hose. This is a hose valve, goes around a garden hose, clearly. And where would this attach to? Okay, well, that is a mystery I'm gonna have to figure out. I don't want to bore you guys with that stuff, but yeah. But anyway, this is the Magnum prox17, and it looks pretty badass. I mean, it looks like it would do the job. It has an excellent warranty. So, we'll see tomorrow on Monday. Tomorrow's Easter, so happy Easter. And thanks for hanging out and checking out this Magnum prox17 paint sprayer. Have a beautiful day.